Hello, Kauai. Here's our COVID-19 briefing from Team Kauai for Wednesday, January 13th. The Department of Health is reporting no new cases today. We currently have 18 active cases. All are in isolation and one is hospitalized on Oahu. We have 23 people in health-directed quarantine as close contacts. Our cumulative case count is now 196, including 169 confirmed locally, 1 probable, and 26 tested elsewhere but reported after arrival on island. Kauai Police and the National Guard this week have been tracking more than 1,500 people in travel-related quarantine. Our phased vaccine distribution program is active and expanding on Kauai. All patients and staff at long-term care facilities have been offered vaccines. This week, we'll be vaccinating our teachers and school staff in K-12 and post-secondary public, charter, and private schools, as well as child care workers and kupuna aged 75 and over. Agriculture industry, food, and grocery workers can now get vaccines, as can residents of smaller care homes. Farm and agricultural workers who have not yet received information from their employer should contact Martin Amaro at the County Office of Economic Development at mamaro@kauai.gov. The teachers and other education-related school staff at K-12 public, private, and charter schools, plus post-secondary educators and staff, and child care workers are eligible to be vaccinated. These individuals should have received emails from the Department of Health and the Centers for Disease Control providing instructions. If you have not, please complete the short survey on the county's website at kauai.gov/vaccine. Wilcox Medical Center in Lihue will begin administering the Pfizer vaccine to adults ages 75 and older starting Friday, January 15th. The vaccine clinics will be open to anyone 75 years of age or older and one accompanying caregiver. Caregivers can also be vaccinated, but only if they have made appointments at the same time as the kupuna they accompany. The first Wilcox clinics are scheduled from 10 a.m. to 4 p.m. Friday, January 15th, followed by January 19th, 21st, and 22nd. Vaccines are by appointment only, and walk-ins will not be accepted. Please register at wilcoxhealth.org/vaccine, and a representative will follow up with you. Kauai Veterans Memorial Hospital in Waimea and Samuel Mahilona Memorial Hospital in Kapa'a will offer vaccination clinics for those 75 and older and one accompanying caregiver from 8 a.m. to noon, January 15th, 19th, and 22nd. Appointments are required. To register, please visit kauai.hhsc.org. Thus far, we have vaccinated more than 4,000 individuals on Kauai. There are 2 varieties of the vaccine on our island, the ones developed by Pfizer and by Moderna. Both are very effective vaccines. Other vaccines are in development and a few are near release, so there will also be other options in the future, although the timeline is not known. The Department of Health is managing the vaccination program in partnership with hospitals and CVS Orlongs, which has been providing vaccination to long-term care facilities. Pharmacies at this time are not providing vaccine on-site at their pharmacies. Vaccines are being offered to specific groups with pre-registration at hospitals, at the Department of Health Vaccination Center at the Kauai War Memorial Convention Hall, and in the case of residential care facilities, at those facilities. We anticipate there will be more vaccination opportunities as more vaccines arrive on our island. If you are in one of the targeted groups, you'll be notified by your employer or industry groups about when and where to go for your vaccine. We will continue to keep you updated as more information is available. The kauai.gov/vaccine website has up-to-date information about vaccinations on Kauai. Meanwhile, whether you have been vaccinated or not, it is still important to wear masks, keep your distance, and avoid large gatherings. The Small Business Administration launched a new round of the Paycheck Protection Program this week. The program provides forgivable loans to businesses that experience a loss of revenue of at least 25%. Small businesses with 300 or fewer employees are eligible to apply. The PPP loans can be used to cover payroll and other eligible expenses. To learn more about eligibility and program details, visit the SBA website at www.sba.gov/PPP. To apply for a PPP loan, you should consult with a local lender. Local lenders who are participating in the program include Kauai Government Employees Federal Credit Union, Gather Federal Credit Union, Hawaii USA Federal Credit Union, Bank of Hawaii, Central Pacific Bank, and First Hawaiian Bank. Kauai's new travel rules are now in effect. There are different options for travelers to shorten the required 10-day travel quarantine, whether you are an inter-island or out-of-state traveler. Additionally, our modified quarantine program remains in effect for essential workers or those who must travel for medical needs. For more information on Kauai's travel rules, please visit www.kauai.gov/COVID-19. If you are flying into Kauai and will be subject to quarantine, you must complete a Kauai arrival form. This includes travelers who have received a modified quarantine, those entering the full 10-day quarantine, and resort bubble participants. Travelers can now complete the Kauai arrival form online. This will save you time at the airport. The form is available at kauai.gov/COVID-19. Inter-island travelers who utilize the state's Safe Travels form to be exempt from quarantine are not required to complete the Kauai arrival form. In observance of Martin Luther King Jr. Day, county offices will be closed on Monday, January 18th. The Kikaha landfill, all refuse transfer stations, the Puhi Meadows Recycling Center, all the neighborhood centers, and the High Five Bottle Redemption Centers will be closed. The Kapa'a and Waimea swimming pools, which are generally closed on Mondays, will observe the holiday on Tuesday, January 19th, and will resume regular hours on Wednesday, January 20th. The schedule for residential refuse pickup will remain unchanged, and the Kauai bus will be operating on its regular schedule on the holiday. Mahalo for understanding the role you play in mitigating the spread of COVID-19 on our island. Please continue to stay home as much as possible. Refrain from social gatherings or public outings. If you must interact with people outside of your home, maintain a distance of 6 feet of separation and wear a mask, if at all possible for you to do so. Remember, my mask protects you and your mask protects me. It's a sign of respect and aloha. Do not leave home if you are sick unless you're seeking medical attention, and then only after calling your doctor first. Wash your hands frequently and clean surfaces often. Stay informed and connected during this time of social distancing. We'll continue to post updates on our official County of Kauai Facebook page or on our Kauai Emergency Management Agency page at www.kauai.gov/COVID-19. The Centers for Disease Control is also updating its website regularly. For more information, please visit coronavirus.gov. Not everyone has internet access or follows the news, so please help to keep your loved ones informed. Be kind, take care of one another, God bless, and aloha.